Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add a theme to responsive menu. And if you'd like to set up your own disposable WordPress environment, check out this service called InstaWP. It has amazing features in both the free and pro version. The pro version is also quite affordable. Plans start at $9. So check out their website, it's instawp.io. From your WordPress dashboard, click responsive menu, then click create new menu. So here you can select one of these themes that are already installed. Let's use the electric blue theme. Click next. And let's give this a name. Let's call this theme 1. At the bottom, click create menu. And let's click the hamburger icon. All right, so here we have our electric blue theme. So I'm going to show you guys another way to add a theme to responsive menu. All right, so let's create a new menu. This time we are going to go to the marketplace. Click marketplace and let's purchase this Shine theme. Once the page opens, click add to cart. Here you just want to scroll down and enter your payment information and you will receive a link to download the theme once you're done. Once it's downloaded, you would need to import it. So let's go back and you would need to remember your download location. So over on the right hand side, click import. So go to your download location and drag the zip file over to the button that says choose file. Just drag it right here. Then click upload theme. Click OK. Let's take a look at our installed themes. So we have Shine right here. Select it, click next. And let's name this menu. Let's call this sample. At the bottom, let's keep all of this and click create menu. Okay, so let's click the hamburger icon. And now we have our Shine theme. Okay, so one other thing that we can do is customize one of our themes and save it as a new theme. So let's go over to mobile menu, container. Let's click styles and let's change the background color to red. So the title background is now red. Okay, so let's change the container background. At the bottom, what we want to do is go over to appearance, expand this, and container background. Let's make this red. So the container background is now red. And what we can do is save this as a theme. Let's type a name. Let's call this red. Okay, so let's go back. Click the X at the top. And we can change a theme also by clicking this button. So here we can choose one of our installed themes. So we can quickly switch themes here. Let's use the electric blue theme. If we click the hamburger icon, we see that we have our electric blue theme. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the menu. And if we click this up arrow next to update and we click change theme, let's go over to saved templates at the top. We have our red theme that we can easily apply. Click the hamburger. So we have the red theme that we saved. Okay, so I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.